Hello my friends, welcome to Easy English with Chani. What is ChatGPT? This is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is AI. AI is a smart computer. How to download and open ChatGPT? You can use ChatGPT on your phone. Open Play Store or App Store. Type ChatGPT. Download the app. Or open Google. Type chatgpt.com. How to use ChatGPT? Now open ChatGPT. Type your question here. ChatGPT, say hello. Hello, how are you? Learn English with ChatGPT. Make an English sentence. Practice every day. Learn English easily with AI. Thank you.